Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me going Q1 of the weekly contest 393, latest time you can obtain after replacing characters. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord, let me know what you think about this one. This is an easy problem on the contest, and the first thing that you should be concerned with is just not making a silly mistake and getting a wrong answer. Remember, especially if you're trying to do it fast, right? The difference between 5 minutes and 5 minutes and 10 seconds, or 5 minutes and 20 seconds, or whatever, it does not matter. If you get wrong answer, each one is 5 minutes. Anyway, I say it to as a preface, because my code is very ugly. But basically, I just try every possible time. I probably should have counted down, to be honest, but I counted up so that the last one that I match is good. And yeah, and basically I have three helper functions, right? I have match. Basically, the match is saying that if it's equal, or if it's a question mark, then it is good. Otherwise, that means that it is not equal and it is not question mark, so we return false, so it doesn't match. And then the other thing is just goes of I, and goes of I just allow us to kind of convert it to a time. And I need to be better about f strings, but I just did a padding thing to add a leading 0 if necessary, and that's basically what I have here. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. But basically, it's very brute force. It's just, like 60 times 12 is not that much, right? It's like 720 or something like this, right? So everything is lazy. It's a mess, but it's fine. I took about 3 minutes typing it, which is, I guess, actually as fast as some of the top people. But yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. There are definitely ways to do it otherwise, but I think the other way to do it is just convert question marks and brute force to question marks and see if your biggest number. But I don't know. I feel like there are more edge cases. I don't know if that's true. But yeah, this is what I have. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you did. And yeah, you could watch me solve it live during the contest now. Latest possible. Okay. I think I'm doing this dumb way. What am I doing? What am I doing? This is dumb, the way that I'm doing it. Am I doing typing the right things? I am just dumb. I wrote this in like the dumbest possible way, I think. Strength and line 5. Oh man, why am I so... There's just too much code that I'm writing, and I'm writing in a dumb way as a result. 11.954 is not quite right. Oh, it's a 12-hour format. Okay. That was a very easy problem to get a wrong answer on, so I'm happy about that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this explanation, this problem, this contest, everything in between. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later. Take care. Bye-bye.